The man made water gas with just a compressor and simple materials, and the family has never paid a gas bill since. With this invention, the man is already earning over $10,000 a month at a young age. Let's take a look at how he made it. First we need a refrigerator compressor, and then plugged into the power supply. We test whether it can work properly. Bring a balloon set in the compressor outlet. The balloons slowly become larger. That can work properly. Next we need to prepare 2 plastic bottles, and then use a red pen to make a mark on the bottle cap. Then use a tool to cut 2 round holes according to the mark just made, and then find 2 large beverage bottles and cut them down 2 centimeters from the mouth. Place it on top of the plastic bottle at the round holes and give a good spread around it with hot melt glue. Next, make 2 small holes in each of the bottle caps. Then place the compressor and the plastic bottles on a wooden board and glue them to the board with hot melt glue. The compressor we will just fix firmly with screws. Then take a hose and connect one end to the outlet of the compressor and tighten it with a clamp. The other end we'll put in the red plastic bottle and a hose in both bottles to connect them together. The green bottle also has a hose for the air outlet. Then use hot melt glue to coat all the hoses where they connect to the bottles to prevent leaks. Next is the most crucial. Prepare a bowl of salt, a bowl of rice, a large bottle of Coke and some lemon. First pour the rice into the bottle first. Then pour the salt in as well and squeeze the juice out of the lemon. Then pour in half a bottle of cola. At this point screw the cap on tightly. Then shake it vigorously and evenly, and let it rest for a day, waiting for fermentation. After fermentation, we can see that the top has been chemically reacted into a light yellow liquid. At this time we pour the yellow liquid into the red plastic bottle. Add some water in the blue plastic bottle. You need to be careful to add basically the same amount of water as the yellow liquid. The bottle cap are tightened, and finally the compressor plugged into the power supply. As the compressor worked, you could see that both bottles were bubbling inside. When I light a lighter in the mouth of the tube, it burns all at once, and it's a very big fire. Does anyone know what principle this is? Learned a year easily save a few $1,000s in gas bills. What do you think about this invention?